You do not need to place the wiper blades into any sort of park position to change them out. The regular rest position gets easy access to them. Lay down a thick towel, your floor mats, or a piece of cardboard to protect the windshield while removing and installing the windshield wipers. The metal parts of the wiper arms can crack the windshield if you drop it without a blade on it. Push down on the release tab, red arrow, and slide the wiper blade out of the wiper arm. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.